In today's video, I'm going to talk about something that you probably do not understand if you are new to arbitrage. And it's going to be true for retail arbitrage and online arbitrage, but I'm going to give you some tips on how to actually take advantage of this stuff if you are doing online arbitrage. In the last few days, so you guys know that it's Q4, it was just Black Friday, and you have a lot of people, a lot of newbies actually having a lot of sales and talking about stuff that they do not understand on Twitter. Because right now, and I'm going to tell you the truth, guys, right now, the business is on easy mode, especially if you are in the US and you are doing FBM, all right? And even if you are doing FBA, it's even easier, but if you are doing FBM, it's an infinite money glitch. And so, Amazon FBA is not like this all the time. And so you have people that have been in the business for like 3 months, 4 months, that think that they are genius because they have some high numbers and that actually make some statements about selling on Amazon that are not necessarily true. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about specifically about like unicorn products and those products that you can only source one time and that are going to make good profit, like great profit, but that are just a one-time thing. I'm going to talk about this and if it's true that this is the only thing that you are going to go after with online arbitrage and that all the sourcing that you basically do is just for a one-time profit and that's it. This is what we're going to talk in today's video, to talk about, I'm sorry. Before we actually do, as always, you're going to find some links in the description. There's going to be a link for one-on-one coaching. If you need help scaling your Amazon business, you need a mentor, book a call with me. We're going to build a plan to help you do it and reach your goal. Second link, Discord server if you want to grow. You need to build a network. Best way to do it, join the Discord server, be active, ask questions, answer questions. The more you do it, the more people will see you, the more people will notice you, and you'll make some friends that way. All right, so I saw some tweets of some guys, as always, because as you guys know, and I'm shooting the second video of the day today because I just say, you know what, let me just shoot this video so it's done. Because like it's like you see so much stuff. Like Q4, it's always the same thing. Q4, you're gonna see a lot of people talking like they actually understand the business. Because they have some great results when it's actually on easy mode. But just wait. It's November. Next month is going to be easy mode if you have stock FBA. If you are doing FBM, it's easy mode again. But wait until January, February, and you're going to see all those people actually saying that Amazon is super hard. There's no way to make money. Amazon is saturated, and that they are going to try to move from online arbitrage to wholesale because online arbitrage is not profitable. All that bullshit. All right. It's the same thing that is going to happen every single year, all right? And the more you are in this business, the more you learn, the more you see how it actually is, all right? You're going to see a lot of people on social media boasting about their results and thinking that they are some genius until probably the end of December. And after that, you'll see people complaining. All right, so what I wanted to talk about in today's video is, I saw some guys talking about, and there were a new guy, and I think it's the same guy as yesterday's video, I do not even remember, but talking about how it is not profitable and it's not a good way to source for one-off products, like chasing sales and all that stuff. This is what I'm going to talk about in today's video, and it really showed that these guys haven't been in the space for a long time, all right? Because if you think that, first of all, if you see those, and I made a video about that a couple of days ago, I do not remember when it was, but it's not because you source from a sale that the products are going to tank, all right? And it's actually a good thing to source from sales because those products are not going to be available all year round, all right? If you are doing online arbitrage and you source the same products over and over again, if the products are not selling fast enough, eventually they will tank, especially if it's product that you buy at MSRP that you can buy all year around, all right? The best products are products that are only available when specific sales hit, because if you want to be in stock all the time on those products, if you want to sell them continuously, you need to be good at managing your stock and forecasting demand to know exactly how much to buy, to not buy too much stock and stuff like that, to not pay too much in storage, all right? So the first big mistake that I see a lot of guys doing is not actually having a lead bank, all right? And the reason why you want a lead bank, and I haven't talked about it, but there's a big, like, the way you think about sourcing is actually flawed. But the first thing that you want to do is have a lead bank. And if you do not have one, go on Seller Amp, create a new spreadsheet. And this is not the spreadsheet where you actually export products that you buy. It's the spreadsheet where you're going to export all the products that you find are that are profitable. You want to select all the categories, all the things that you can actually export on the spreadsheet. So you want to export the return on investment, the source. You can select a couple of data points. Just select them all. It's going to make it easier, because if you need one data point in the future, it's going to be easy to refer to it, and you never know if you actually need something. So just select everything. But the reason why I'm telling you to do this is because there's no such thing as a one-off sale, okay? If you understand retail, and this is why these guys are so stupid. My God, that actually pissed me off. If you actually understand a retail stores, and if you actually understand sales cycle, and if you've actually been in the space for a little while, you will notice that the same products goes on sale periodically, all right? So it's all like, there's no such thing as a product that goes on sale once. The same product will go on sale periodically, all right? So for example, if you, and I'm gonna say some shit, and I'm sorry if I burn the loop, but I don't think I will burn the loop with this one. For example, if you look at the body scrub, what's the name of that brand that sells on Ulta and Target exclusively? I forgot the name of the brand. Let me check. Body scrub. And I think I talked about it in my video on how to source Ulta. Here we go. What is it called? It's called Tree Hut, all right? Those body scrub, the Tree Hut body scrub, they probably went on sale yesterday during Black Friday. I did not source for Black Friday because I was spending time with my little cousins playing Mario Kart, all right? I'm going to be totally honest. I've been sitting on money. I didn't even source for Black Friday because I had other shit to do, all right? I was spending time with family and stuff for the whole weekend. But the reason why I'm saying this is because every time on Black Friday, they go on sale and they are at profitable price and you can stock up on them. And they go like 2 to 3 times a year on sale. This is not a product that goes on sale often, but they will go on sale periodically on Ulta. And if you source Ulta, it's a great product to source and to sell in bulk. It's not going to be that profitable if you work with a prep center, but if you prep yourself, you can make a lot of money with those. I made a ton of money with those Tree Hut body scrub last year. All right, I made a ton of money with those. And it's not like it's a one-time thing. They will come back in stock all the time. So you just need to monitor them. That's it. You have a list of websites that you check daily, and just check in, and those products will go. The same products will go on sale multiple times a year. You just need to figure out the sales cycle, and this is what I've been saying in videos for a long time. The best thing that the best knowledge that you can actually develop in this business is the knowledge of sales cycle, and it takes actually time. This is some shit that you will not know if you are new to the business. All right, and this is why you don't go on Twitter to talk about all that bullshit like you know everything. You don't know shit. You haven't been in that space for a long time. You do not know shit. And if you say that there's some unicorns product that goes on sale once in a while, this is not true. The same products will go on sale at specific intervals on some websites every single time. For example, there's, I don't know. I used Kiehl's as an example, all right? Kiehl's product will go, there's 2 types, because you need to, and I'm like, Kiehl's products tend to tank a little bit anyway, and you need to sit on them if you actually want to make profit right now, except if you can actually buy some discounted gift cards, and I said it in a previous video as well. So free leads for you guys if you actually want to sell some Kiehl stuff. It's not really free leads, but it's free game. What you want to do with Kiehl's, what you want to know is that there's 2 different type of sales that goes on Kiehl's.com. There's the BOGO, buy one, get one free. There's the BOGO sale. I think they have buy one, get one free, and sometimes they buy one, get one 50%, but it's not that exciting. But there's the buy one, get one free, and there's the 20% sale on the entire store, all right? That's the 2 sales that are on the website at all, that can come on the website, all right? That's the 2 only sales. I think for Black Friday, it's 30%. I don't remember. I did not look at Kiehl's, to be honest. I didn't look at shit for Black Friday, all right? I looked at Nike.com a little bit. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because every time the buy one, get one free sale comes, you can buy the same products over and over again, and they are going to be profitable. All right. Then they are going to tank a little bit, but if you wait a little bit of time, it's gonna bounce back up if you go with the fast selling products, and you can make a lot of money. No, with the 20% sale, it's the same thing. It's always going to be the same products that you want to look at when the 20% sales on the entire store is. All right, and it's always going to be the same products that you are going to be able to source over and over again. You just need to forecast the demand and know how much you need to buy to wait until the next sale. You can make a ton of money doing this. All right, there's no such thing as buying as unicorn products that you buy one and once only. Yes, there are some products that you're gonna, but like if you actually do a lead bank, like I just suggested, this is the thing that I did. This is the thing that I've been doing for more than 1 year now. You do your lead bank. You'll notice that whenever there's a sale on a website, all right, whether it is an entire website coupon or sale on a specific category. First of all, if you do the target list as well, as I said, that you actually monitor sales, you will notice that the same sales comes over and over again. It's always the same cycle, just with kills. There's the buy one get one free, then there's the 20% sale on the entire store, then the buy one get one free, then and it's always the same thing. I don't know any other website. Ulta, it's always the same shit as well. Walgreens, always the same shit as well. And that's pretty much it. Like, it's always going to be the same thing. And so if you actually have a lead bank, all right, like I suggest, and if you go even further than that and you actually take notes of the sale that you need to wait to get that product profitably with the notes on Sell Amp, you can just use Command F on Google Sheets and look for the specific sale and actually look at which product you need to look at, right? I just had to do this yesterday with a sale on PetSmart. I haven't sold PetSmart for a long time. By the way, I have $400, almost $400 of gift cards at PetSmart that I cannot use because I'm actually overseas, and PetSmart will not let you order from overseas, and they will not let you order on a VPN. So if you guys need some PetSmart gift cards, I'll sell them to you for 15% off because I have 390 something. And I have some leads for you if you want to buy them. I have 4 leads that I used to buy that are good. So 15% off. I'll give you the 4 leads that I used to buy at the same time, so if you want to buy them, so I can get rid of those gift cards and invest the money into something else. I've had these gift cards for like for probably 8 months. I haven't been able to sell them. But just by using the Command F, thing on that lead bank, I was able to find the products that I used to source at PetSmart. All right, whenever there's PetSmart is going to be the same thing. PetSmart, they have a 20% coupon. They have other sales that come that you can stack with it, and so pretty easy. Every time that comes, you can actually buy those leads. All right, and I should actually charge for those leads if I actually give you the gift cards. So let's talk. I'll give you the leads, and I'll give you the gift cards for, I don't know. I'll give you the gift card at break even, but I'll actually tell you about the leads and where to actually buy the gift card for 5% off. It's on Top Cashback. You can buy the gift cards. And yeah, but I'll sell all that to you at break even at 392 euros, $392. I'm sorry. So yeah, there's always going to be the same products going on sale, whether it is every 2 months, every 3 months. You just need to figure it out. All right. Same thing with every single website. You see the same products year after year going on sale at the exact same time. If you were actually sourcing last Black Friday, you sourced the Nike sale, you will notice that the exact same product were on sale this year. All right. So if you sold some product last year, you could have just looked at what product you sold last year in your lead bank, or if you have a sheet for Black Friday, the thing that you exported, and look at all the price. All the price changed last year with the Black Friday sale, and actually buy those products again. I guarantee that if you actually look at the products that you sold in the past, if you are good at sourcing, if you are not making, because if you are new, there's a good chance that you actually make dumb mistakes when you source. And so if you are actually decent at sourcing, you will notice that the products that you sold last year or a couple of months ago will be profitable again if they were on sale again. So if you just wait for the sale, you can buy those same exact products. This is the reason why I haven't really been sourcing for a couple of months, because I've sourced a ton. I have a huge lead banks of products that I can look at. And so whenever there's a sale on a website, I can actually look at that website. Look at my lead bank, look at what products I actually found on that website that were profitable, and actually buy them if I want to. I do not even need to do that anyway, because I have a few products, a few essence that sell super fast, that I can buy a lot of stock that I do not even have enough money to buy anyways. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Stop talking on Twitter. If you haven't been in the business for a little while, stop talking about shit you do not understand. It's okay for you to actually share your experience, stuff like that, but stop talking like you know everything. If you actually look, and I've been saying it for a little while, if you actually look at my first videos that I released on this channel, it was just me sharing. And for example, the video that I always reference, all right, that is called How to Actually Find Profitable Products to Sell on Amazon, profitable online arbitrage products. I just share what has been working for me, all right, what actually helped me make it work with online arbitrage. That did not come in a way in which I was trying to say that I knew everything. Same thing, I shared how I use Keepa and how I actually use Keepa and what is my turn on using Keepa. I never said that it was the only way to actually do it, you know. And so the attitude that you use makes a huge difference. If you want to be controversial just to create an audience, you ain't making shit with your audience, right? All those guys that have audience on Twitter, I know you ain't making money. You are not going to make money this way. You are not going to make money this way with your audience. If you want to make money with your audience, you need to put a lot of content, help a lot of people. And after that, people will actually be able to pay you, like people will want to pay you money to actually help you, to help them. And I'm still doing a lot of this shit for free. Yes, I have the consultation that you can buy, but I'm always on the Discord server if you have small questions or stuff like that and anything that you want me to review. But yeah, guys, if you want to build an audience, do it the right way. And stop diluting the message on Twitter. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope it was helpful. Watch these videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. And I'll see you tomorrow because I have a new video releasing every single day. I haven't missed a day. It's November 28th. We have like 30-something video to go. Are we going for a second year? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.